What's up, everybody? Check it out. Today, we're sitting here looking frumpy. That's right. Or kind of like an Oompa Loompa. I don't know. Either way, check this out. So, I lost my GoPro. And I literally have no idea where it went. So, here I am on my new GoPro. And we're gonna film a short video because I had several videos filmed on this GoPro. One was of the truck, one was of some other stuff we're doing with the Jeep, and well, I don't know where it went. I lost it. I could have left it on the fender, I could have drove away, and it could have fell off somewhere, and someone could have stole it after that. Somewhere. I'm kind of disappointed if that did happen, because if I did and I ruined it so people couldn't watch the footage, that's one thing. But yeah, I don't know what happened to it. But without further introduction, whatever you say, I'm sitting on the new seats for the crew cab. Yeah, that's right. Check it out. So that's the rear seat right there. I wish you could see this color. The GoPro just does not do it justice. And honestly, I'm not gonna edit this thing to show all the different colors and all the different whatevers, because we're trying to keep this channel simple. You're not gonna find any fancy editing here. You're not gonna find any fancy, firework type stuff going on here. It's just me doing what I love to do. I love to drive these Chevys around. I love to off-road them, and that's just what you're gonna get here on this channel. So if you're looking for some fancy editing, people who put all sorts of goo gadgets in their videos, this ain't it. Sorry to tell you. But follow along. I appreciate everybody who watches these videos, but check out this front seat. Oh yeah, we got the cup holders. So just imagine this, I'm like sitting here. Let's see, I'll have to sit on this side, but I'm just gonna be sitting here driving the old crew cab. I'm gonna have me a Red Bull. Just sitting here, right here next to me, right here in these cup holders. And then my wife's gonna be sitting here, and she's gonna have her Dr. Pepper, and we're gonna be cruising down the street in my crew cab, and we're gonna maybe take some other people on some rides because it's a crew cab. Woo woo. All right, so anyways, there they are. I was gonna do a better video, but like I said, I lost some of the previous footage I had filmed of stuff. I can't remember if I have a video. I'll have to go back and look, but I may have put a video out showing me taking the seats out. But if not, here you go again, because I don't know what I found. I could go back and look on YouTube, I guess, but we're still needing to clean this out. It had some it had the mats here that, dampen the sound. But they were like a tar type of stuff. And anyways, I think maybe they got wet or something, and then this leaked, because this is really tarry and it gets on your hands. So I gotta clean that. And then I'm gonna pull these speakers out. I don't know if the mice could have got back there, but oh, look at that. Yeah, they could have. Look at that. We gotta clean that a little bit. That's not even bolted to the wall. This is literally just sitting in there. Huh. Anyways, so yeah, that's my life these days. So anyways, we're not gonna make this too long. We're gonna come in and clean some stuff. But the main thing I wanted to show you guys and let you know is we're still on board to take that bad boy down to the shop and get it rewired. Complete electrical done on it. Seats, they're ready to go. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna put on the floor though. I can't decide if I want to do carpet or if I want to like rhino line it. You know what? Honestly, looking at it right now, I think I'm just gonna make the decision to buy the carpet kit. It's super easy. They sell the foam. They sell like the insulation that basically just comes pre-cut, I think, for this. So we're gonna buy that. We'll buy that kit, and we'll just buy the carpet. I may change my mind, but as of right now, maybe that's what we'll do. I'll look at some options and see what they got. But in the meantime, you can see how tall this truck is. Like, it's tall. But in the meantime, I don't know if you can see this, but we got this radiator here, and we've got the piece broke off here. So we're gonna have the mechanic look at it. He sent me a picture last night. I gotta take a look at this radiator and see if it looks like the one he sent me, but I think he's got one I can use or buy from him or put in here. But anyways, if not, I'll go buy one anyways. But thanks for watching. This is kind of a boring video, not much to it, but thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Go check out all my other videos on the build. Go check out the shorts, the links. Everything helps. I appreciate it all. But hopefully this year, 2025, we're going to be doing a lot more stuff with this. And if things go good, don't forget, we've got a 2-wheel drive that we're going to put, LS swap it. And we're going to turn that into our little like burnout machine slash. My one vision I have with that thing is I'd love to get some paddle tires for it and literally take it to the sand dunes after we put the 6.0 in it. So that'd be pretty fun though, right? Yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. Smile every day. Life is good, folks, but you can make it good. You have the power to do that. You have the mind that can control how you feel, what you do, everything. So, anyways, peace out.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way